50 trials, 49 errors, to pick one thing to play the part tonight. Razzmatazz it is. I'm going to keep it loud, keep it upscale, and keep it bright.
That many hours of trial, and wow, you did bring some flair with horror. I say Razzmatazz is all about whammy and glamour.
But there is a sense of dare in glamour. There are style makers who know better than we do. We just stand pretty and let them experiment with styling trends without much ado. It pays off most of the times, but it's also a recipe for disaster sometimes.
That's why they say leave it to the experts, because they know what's best. It's a gamble, I know, because all you want to do is look different than the rest.
I see you, like me, are an experiment struggling with that dhoti. Relentless yet admirable drive to beam it up, Scotty.
I bring authenticity to Razzmatazz in all its Indian glory. What took over you, you Indian, sorry?
A lot less than you, I say, Kamli. A little too much Josh and an okayish attempt at alluring.
Attempts are for those who try too much in dire. My bat for the team that doesn't care as such. I'm all about the fire.
And that's where you get points for not trying so hard. Look around you. We have the most stylish people in the room, and you are just not in the groove.
Oh, I read the room better than you. They are all on the clock, thinking of food, pajamas, with a piercing look at us screaming, "Arey, what's wrong with these two?"
So let's begin this night with a bang without any further ado. Ladies and gentlemen, we feel your look, we see your style, and better yet, we are all set to award your style with the theme of the evening, Razzmatazz.
True that. Let's give a huge shout out to all the phenomenal ladies in the room.
And a huge round of applause to all the gentlemen in the house looking sharp, dapper, and uber stylish. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Radhika Apte.
And I am Vicky Kaushal, and together we are so pumped to host the super stylish, super cool second edition of Hindustan Times India's Most Stylish 2019 with my co-host and my very, very, very dear friend Radhika, and she is the most uptake co-host for tonight, not big on holding back the punches.
So, ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute pleasure to present this Razzmatazz evening to all of you. My partner in crime, Vicky, and I are so jazzed about celebrating you and your style.
Totally. Keeping the stylish spirit alive, let's get this show cracking!
Whoa. You're really literally taking it. Yeah.
Let's get the show cracking, guys.
Just easy. Ours are more about, just us looking cool and all.
Hey, listen. Okay. You be the cool one. I am keeping it hot. All suited up to impress the ladies and whatnot.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jeep presents Hindustan Times India's Most Stylish, co-powered by Manyavar.
Makeup by My Glam European Makeup. Sustainable fashion partner R. Elan.
Hospitality partner, the St. Regis Mumbai. Telecast partner, Star World and Star World HD.
Radio partner Fever FM and Radio Nasha. Digital partner HindustanTimes.com.
Entertainment partner, Desi Martini. Style curator, Manish Malhotra.
Choreography by Shamak Davar. And dancers by SDIPA. The Hindustan Times India's Most Stylish is designed, scripted and managed by Fountainhead Entertainment. Show director
VGJ Rao!
Now that we have wrapped up the formalities, let's roll out the first set of awards for Hindustan Times India's Most Stylish 2019.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Sports Personality. And to present this award, we'd like to invite on stage Apar Shakti Khurana and Shilpa Rao.
Good evening. Okay, so Hindustan Times Most Stylish Sports Personality.
It's actually our honor to give it up to Hina Sidhu.
Hello, everyone. I would like to thank Hindustan Times for thinking of me as worthy of this award. For me, style means killer instinct. What I do with my pistol is my style. when the chips are down, when the going gets tough, when people don't believe in you. And, you have to find that last piece of strength in you. You have to get up and just give your best. Doesn't matter you win or you lose. I know it for a fact that even if I lose, my opponents can't break me. And that's my style. So thank you. Thank you very much.
Our next award is for someone who breathes, sleeps, wears, and creates style and substance in style. But that's not where it ends. Taking their sense of style from the designing board to flesh and bone to actually embodying it themselves. The next award is for Hindustan Times Most Stylish Designer. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Sheetal Mafatlal and Gauhar Khan.
And the award for Hindustan Times Most Stylish Designer goes to Anamika Khanna. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Very well deserved.
Ladies and gentlemen, members of the jury, Hindustan Times, thank you so much for this award. It empowers me to take more steps which are just mine.
Up next is the award for the individual whose journalistic integrity is a force to reckon with. And tonight, this winner shines for their impeccable style. Please put your hands together for Hindustan Times Most Stylish Media Personality. And to present this award, we'd like to invite on stage
Sanjay Thapar, Business Head Event and Marketing Solutions, Hindustan Times, and Freddie Daruwala.
So Hindustan Times Most Stylish Media Personality Award goes to Shireen Bhan.
Thank you very much to Hindustan Times, to the jury for this wonderful honor. For me, style really is about having a point of view. It's about having the courage to express your point of view in everything that you do. And I think that's pretty much what I've done over the last 19 years as a business journalist. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Congratulations again.
Next up, an artist who brings art to their style. Bring it on for Hindustan Times Most Stylish Artist. And to present this award, we would like to welcome on stage Amaira Dastoor.
Hindustan Times Most Stylish Artist is Mithu Sen.
I'm very emotional and overwhelmed, and I'm happy. Thank you so much, Sunil. Thank you.
Thank you, Amaira.
The next award segment is dedicated to the people who indeed have a committed relationship with their viewers, sometimes weekly and at times daily. Theirs are the faces you love to binge watch. The next award is for Hindustan Times Most Stylish TV Personality Female. And to present this award, please welcome on stage Kunal Khemu and Richa Chadha.
The award for the most stylish TV personality female goes to Nia Sharma.
Hi, good evening, everybody. Well, first of all, starting with HT, thank you for acknowledging me. From being called a wannabe to horrendous dresser to making it really hard to trying really hard. Somewhere I think I've made that cut, and this says it all. Cash, we did it. Thank you. Good evening.
Nia, from all the things you said that you've heard to being an inspiration now, I want to know what are your Insta glam essentials?
From wearing a blue lipstick to doing, posting a picture in a bikini when I'm on the beach or somewhere, and I will keep going on no matter if I look like a wannabe. It doesn't matter if I look horrendous at times or if my experiments go wrong, but I will stand unapologetic. Is what I feel. Thank you.
Way to go, Nia. Way to go. Our next award for the evening is for the man who is all set to give his TV peers a run for their style, presenting the Hindustan Times Most Stylish TV Personality Male. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Angad Bedi and Rahul Dev.
We are here to present the most stylish TV personality male, and it is Karan Thakur.
Thank you. So first and foremost, I got to thank Manish, who's right here. Manish, thank you so much for making me look like the way that I do. Thank you. And honestly, don't be fooled by the look. It takes a whole parade of people to make me look like this tonight. So got to thank all my stylists. Thank you very much. Have a good evening, guys. Thank you.
Now, the next award is all about someone who invests their monies right, time right, and is building a strong empire. And they do all this with keeping their style in check. Hindustan Times Most Stylish Business Personality. And to present this award, we'd like to invite on stage Purna Patel.
The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Business Personality, the most beautiful, gorgeous and evergreen Natasha Poonawalla.
Thank you for this award. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Hopefully we can keep at it and do better things for everybody else. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Hindustan Times Most Stylish second edition with Razzmatazz. It's only befitting that the next award is Hindustan Times Most Stylish Music Star. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Dinu Moria and filmmaker Soham Shah.
The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Music Star.
Tanishq Bagchi.
Tanishq Bagchi, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Hindustan Times, for this. And so nervous. Thank you, Karan sir. Thank you, Ranveer. Thank you for everything. The 4 reasons why I'm here right now is because of my mom, my wife, my daughter, and music. Music is my style, and my style is my music. That is all I can say. Thank you, everyone.
Hashtag Nerd Alert. Brainy is the new sexy. I wouldn't dare attempt wordplay here because I am cool enough to admit it. Books intimidate me, and authors more so, and triple whammy when the author is style personified. Bring it on for the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Author. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Karan Johar and Rajiv Biotra, CEO, Hindustan Times.
Very good evening to all of you. The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Author Award goes to Twinkle Khanna.
Thank you, HG. Thank you, Karan, for this award. Steve Jobs wore a black turtleneck every day of his life and he was a genius. I've never seen Karan repeat the same outfit, so I don't know what that says about him.
A lot, but we'll chat about that later. It's about you.
Orson Welles once said, style is about knowing who you are, what to say, and not giving a damn. And I accept this award in that very spirit.
I'm just going to throw a few names at you, and if you can tell us what is the suitable title for their fashion biographies. Okay. First one is Ranveer Singh.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's a great title. That's a great title.
I think, oh my God, what the hell happened? I think that's a good one. Yeah.
Well, the second name is Karan Johar.
Karan Johar, I've already said, not Steve Jobs.
And Akshay Kumar.
Everything that he is, style, money, everything is only because of a woman behind him. It's exactly, Einstein's wife actually did all his equations for him. I've done everything for him as well.
Thank you so much.
man. Congratulations. Moving on, the next set of awards are for those who bring sizzle to their style and owning their sense of style effortlessly. Bring it on for the Hindustan Times Hottest Stylista. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Sonu Sood and Tushar Kapoor.
Hindustan Times Hottest Stylista is Mr. Vijay Devarakonda.
Mumbai, namaste. For those of you who are wondering, I'm Vijay Devarakonda. I'm a Telugu film actor. So I'd like to thank all the women, young and old, at Hindustan Times. And I heard there's a jury, and Karan, you're a part of it. I'm sure you've influenced this. Huh? Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, trust me, I say this with my own experiences, and I bet all the men in the room will agree with me. You would swap that suit right now for a pair of tracks and t-shirts, right, gentlemen? Sir? Right? But then, we know when the occasion demands, we do what it takes and go from laid back to suiting up in a jiffy.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is all about style meets innovation. Bring it on, Fever 104 Award for Style Innovation. And to present this award, we'd like to welcome on stage Harshad Jain, CEO Fever and Nasha FM, and Kapil Sharma.
Good evening, everyone. Fever 104 Award for Style Innovation goes to Ayushman Khurana.
Thanks, Paji. Nice shoes.
Congratulations, Ayushman. I'm very happy for you, Paji. आपने कभी सोचा था मेरे हाथों से आपको अवार्ड मिलेगा?
Sir, मेरे सपने पूरे हो गए सारे आज. Thank you so much, Isha Bansali, my stylist, for being such an innovator, to keeping me in sync with the changing times, also foreseeing the futuristic trends. And I think style is a mood swing, and I feel like razzmatazz. That's the theme, right? That's why I'm just perfectly
The theme is Rajma Pyaz.
camouflaging myself. Once a Punjabi, always a Punjabi.
Razzmatazz.
Razzmatazz. So thank you so much, everybody. Thank you for the honor. Thank you, thank you.
The next award is so true to its winner because this winner brought her skill, passion, breeze of talent, and a lot of migraines for me. Please put your hands together for Hindustan Times Style Trailblazer. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Chunky Pandeyji and Renu Tandon.
Well, here we go. The Style Trailblazer, she actually sets the screen on fire. The finest actor we have, Taapsee Pannu.
Good evening, everyone. What do you mean by migraine?
Kisne kaha?
You just don't read your script, right? Just like in the film.
No, I said it's my gain to have worked with you. You heard migraine?
तेरी pronunciations शुरू से ही थोड़ी खराब है.
My gain, Taapsee, my gain.
We'll settle that later. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Hindustan Times, first of all. Finally, from breakthrough talent, I've graduated to Trailblazer. So, nice way to have a hat trick done. But yeah, thank you so much for always being so supportive, especially Sonal. You've been really nice and kind to me. Here you are. Thank you so much, the entire jury, for considering me worthy. At least kisi awards mein to they consider me worthy. Thank you so much.
Taapsee, before you trailblaze your way back to your seat, Vicky has an important question for you.
Are you going to confess your true love for me, Vicky?
You, of course. I have this question for you.
Huh.
With no pannu intended.
Huh.
That yaar,
बहुत ही गंदी एक्टिंग है बट हाँ ट्राई अगेन.
यार तापसी, इस छैल छबीले लौंडे को तुमने मनमर्जियां में छोड़ क्यों दिया है? डांस आता था, बॉडी शॉडी बना ली थी, छतों से टापता था, इतना प्यार कौन करेगा, बट तुमने छोड़ दिया क्यों?
मैं तेनू फिर मिलांगी.
आए हाय,
तेरी मत्थे दी लकीर बन के तेनू तकदी रवांगी, पर मैं तेनू फिर मिलांगी.
अब अमृता प्रीतम जी के सामने मैं क्या बोलूं? थैंक यू तापसी, थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू एवरीवन.
According to me, the most stylish man alive is none other than my son. So I'm accepting this award on behalf.
और डांस करोगे तो रुकूंगा वरना चले जाऊंगा.
अब सर.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Radhika, come on. And now shake it.
My stylist and my absolutely fantastic team who always make sure that I step out with my best foot forward.
The next winner has worked his way up in B-Town, and the youth just can't have enough of his charm.
And his hair.
Please put your hands together for the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Youth Icon. And to present this award, we'd like to welcome on stage Sophie Chaudhary, Divya Datta, and Arjun Rampal.
Good evening, everybody. It's so lovely to be here. Thank you, Sona, for having us here. We're here to give away the award for the most stylish youth icon. And it goes to the boy जिसने लुका छुपी खेल के, सोनू बन के, प्यार का पंचनामा दे के, सबका दिल जीत लिया. You want to do the rest?
Yeah, it goes to Karthik Aryan.
Thank you, everyone. It's an honor for receiving this award on behalf of Karthik. He was supposed to be here, but he missed his flight. And I thank HT and the jury for honoring my son with this award. Thank you so much, everyone.
The award coming up next is for the winner who is a powerhouse of style with a sense of self and a true legacy of talent. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Hindustan Times Style Game Changer. And to present this award, we'd like to welcome on stage
Fashion Design Council of India's chairperson, Mr. Sunil Sethi, and Mr. Sanjay Bahl, CEO, Raymond.
Hindustan Times Style Game Changer Award goes to the very, very gorgeous Sonakshi Sinha.
Thank you so much, HT and Karan, who just said he was on the jury. So I'm sure you're somewhere partly responsible for me receiving this award. Style, yes. I have thankfully inherited some of that shotgun swag, and I know how to carry it.
Sonakshi, we have one question for you. You've spoken about style.
Yes.
We want to know your absolute glam secret.
There's no secret. It literally takes like 7 people to make any actress look the way she turns out. There's the stylist, there's their assistants, there's a hair and makeup team, and they work very, very hard. So honestly, I would really like to thank all of them on behalf of all the actresses and actors. You guys are really the people behind our best foot forward, best face forward. Yeah.
राधिका, वहाँ सोना, यहाँ भी सोना, लेफ्ट में भी सोना, राइट में भी सोना, सोना कितना सोना, सोने जैसा मेरा मन.
Vicky, you spoke about Sona, and that's purity. And that wave is coming into the world of fashion. That's why Reliance Industries Limited introduced to the world R-Elan, aptly named fabric for the future. R-Elan is a range of specialty fabrics that not only improve performance, aesthetics, but also improve fashion with sustainability.
Available in a large number of variants that appeal to a wide range of design principles. Some are super soft, some keep you dry and fresh, and some are made from 100% recycled PET bottles, making it the perfect choice for sustainable fashion and henceforth a greener planet, and that's creating the future of fashion as we speak. Ladies and gentlemen, the next winner makes anything and everything look stylish and makes no qualms about it. Bring it on for the Hindustan Times hottest trendsetter. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Akshay Kumar, Preeti Zinta, Rajan Bhalla, Chief Marketing Officer, Hindustan Times, and Mr. Gunjan Sharma, CMO, Polyesters RIL.
So the Hindustan Times hottest trendsetter female, Preeti.
Yes, good evening, everyone. This award goes to Katrina Kaif.
Thank you so much for this award. The only thing that I was thinking when I came here tonight is I really hope that Twinkle is not in the room, because she really makes me nervous, because she gives the best speeches, because she's just the funniest person. And I just want to say, sorry, it's got nothing to do with my award, but I just love you. I think you're absolutely the best because you're so authentic. And have a wonderful evening, everyone. Thank you so much.
Katrina, there's one question I wanted to ask you.
Yes.
What's the secret of your glam quotient?
Is just be authentic. Whether you're outlandish, whether you're wacky, whether you're elegant, even if you're boring, just be authentic, because the only thing that doesn't look good is when you're trying to be something you're not. Actually, I just have to say one thing. After a really, really long time, I'm on stage with Akshay, and that really means something to me, because Akshay is one of the most important people who have taught me right from the beginning of when I entered this career. So again, not much to do with style, but thank you, Akshay. And really happy to have this award from you.
Thank you, Katrina.
Thank you.
Thank you,
You guys
sir.
are doing
Thank
a
you,
wonderful
ma'am.
job.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. For the next set of awards are for the ones who work their magic behind the scenes and their success roars loud. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Hindustan Times Most Stylish Filmmaker Male. And to present this award, we would like to welcome Ranveer Singh and Mr. Rahul Pansare, Head Marketing and PR, FCA, India Automobiles Private Limited.
Hindustan Times, the most stylish filmmaker male is Rohit Shetty.
Thank you, Hindustan Times, and thank you, jury. Last year I gave the biggest hit. This is my first award. Quite emotional. Thank you, Karan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, SK. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award for the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Filmmaker Female. And to present this award, we'd like to call on stage Diana Penty and Mugdha Godse.
Hindustan Times Most Stylish Filmmaker Female goes to Ekta Kapoor.
I won about 6 awards in the last 1 year. They were all for powerful. But this one means much more. Style is about individuality. It's not about fashion. Thank God. Thank you, HT. Thank you, Sonal. Thank you, my family. Thank you, my brother who's here. Thank you, the jury, my friends. And thank you, my son. I'm going to carry single motherhood with style.
Up next is the man who needs no introduction. Being an integral part of our judging panel, He has been a part of the HT Style Awards for 6 years now. Manish Malhotra presents a special collection tonight. The assemblage will celebrate the 80s and its contribution to the shimmer and sparkle from the era. Tonight, we revisit the glamour of the yesteryears with our special awards winner, the fabulous Kareena Kapoor.
And our models today exhibiting these silhouettes and looking their glamorous best courtesy My Glam European Makeup and their fabulous range of makeup products. And their glam has come alive with an artistic touch by makeup professionals from JCB.
And now it's time to experience the magician in action. Manish, take it over.
Give it up for Manish Malhotra, ladies and gentlemen.
because I knew his parents before he was born. That is Karan Johar.
राधिका, हम हिंदुस्तान स्टाइलिश अवार्ड में आए हैं तो हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे. जो भी अंग्रेजी में वहाँ लिखा हुआ आप मुझे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके कहोगे.
विकी, आपके साथ और कटरीना के साथ अगर जोया ने जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा बनाई तो उसका टाइटल क्या होगा सोचो. विकी कटरीना इन बार्सिलोना. Yeah, you like it?
Nothing more glamorous than a lipstick, I think, and it works the best for me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jeep presents Hindustan Times India's Most Stylish, co-powered by Manyavar.
Makeup by My Glam European Makeup, sustainable fashion partner R. Elan.
Hospitality partner, the St. Regis Mumbai. Telecast partner, Star World and Star World HD.
The Hindustan Times India's Most Stylish is designed, scripted and managed by Fountainhead Entertainment. Show director B.G. Jairam.
This next award is for someone who has a critically acclaimed debut to their name. This drool-worthy engineer turned actor has been on a successful role, and how. This winner is stylish and a favorite of the millennials for both style and skill. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Jeep Badge of Honor. This honor is a tribute to those who carve their own niche in life, and to present this award, we'd like to welcome Nipun Mahajan, Head of Sales, FCA India Automobiles Private Limited, and Anaita Shroff.
The Hindustan Times Jeep Badge of Honor goes to...
Well, we've recently been caught in bed together, Vicky Kaushal.
Thank you, Anaita. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, holding this, the Badge of Honor 2019. I am really very happy to hold this, क्योंकि मुझे एक घंटे पहले मुझे किसी ने बताया था ऐसा एक अवार्ड बीच में होगा जो पिछले साल अक्षय कुमार सर को मिला था. तो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कि इस साल ये मुझे मिला है. Thank you so much, sir, to adding honor to this award. And really, this is very special for me. And thank you, everyone, and hope you're enjoying this evening. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Anaita. Thank you, sir. Lots of love. Thank you, Hindustan Times. Thank you so much. And the next award is a hallmark of achievement, and the one I am most excited about. Their posters made it to the wall. Their work is still a conversation point on dinner tables, and it's a part of people's prized collection. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Hindustan Times Style Hall of Fame. And to present this award, I would like to call on stage Ramesh Sippi Saab and Kiran Juneja ji.
We are here to announce the Hindustan Times Style Hall of Fame, Wahida ji.
Thank you, Hindustan Times, and the jury. And I want to tell you, one of the jury members I know so well because I knew his parents before he was born. That is Karan Johar. And thank you, everybody. Thank you very, very, very much. Thank you.
Vicky, yaar, looking at Wahida ji, I think of the legacy of ethnic wear in Indian films. The shararas, the lehenga cholis, and the timeless saris. Hi, I sound like a Yash Chopra film.
Killer, yaar. I feel like a Karan Johar film now, with the Sherwanis, Pathanis, and Shah Rukh sir's iconic ethnic stole. And in the real world, you can find all that with Manyavar. With Manyavar. couple of pictures of you both together. We want to know.
Oh, no.
Oh, you have some Ono pictures.
India's most stylish female jury's choice is, of course,
I'm dressed like a Nimbu and I need a squeeze.
Confidence is the most glamorous thing in any human being, and especially a girl. If she's confident, oh my god, she's super glamorous.
Now, ladies, take a deep breath and allow yourself a little friendly envy, for Manyava presents Hindustan Times India's most stylish female jury's choice. And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Manish Malhotra.
could I please also have Sonal Kara join me on stage?
We have Sonal Kara also on stage.
So to give India's most stylish female jury's choice is, of course, the most amazing, the most fantastic Kareena Kapoor. We have to thank you for looking so beautiful for all those years in the movies, and you continue to look so fantastic. Or kya bolu? Kya bolu?
Thank you, HT and Sonal, for giving me this honor. But of course, who better than Manish to give me the most stylish award? But of course, I think unanimously everyone in the room is going to agree. I think this award I'm going to accept not on my behalf, because according to me, the most stylish man alive is none other than my son. So I'm accepting this award on behalf. And he's definitely more stylish than you, Ranveer, despite all your looks. Sorry, hands down.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award, Manyava presents Hindustan Times India's most stylish male jury's choice. And to present this award, we would like to welcome on stage Dimple Kapadia and Sunny Leone.
Most stylish male jury's choice is
goes to my son, Akshay Kumar. This is what he does to me all the time. Utter nonsense! You got me so scared. Bloody fool! Oh God.
Sir, आज आपका खून भी केसरी.
My mother, what have you done? All right, thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Is this mine? Okay. All right. Thank you very much for this award. I'm very grateful, my mom, for coming here. And thank you very much, Sunny, for this lovely award.
We are going to play a rapid fire with you, if that's okay. Yeah. Film of yours you'd not want your kids to watch.
Okay, सबसे पहले तो राधिका हम हिंदुस्तान स्टाइलिश अवार्ड में आए हैं. हिंदुस्तान, तो हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे. जो भी अंग्रेजी में वहाँ लिखा हुआ आप मुझे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके कहोगे.
मैंने कहा था सर, मैंने हिंदी में बात की थी. मैंने कहा था आप
आगे आओ. आपल्याला चालेल मराठीमध्ये बोललं चालेल. सांगा. हाँ, तू पंजाबी बोली. तू एक है पूछेगी, एक तू पूछेगा.
आपने ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म की है जो आप कभी भी अपने बच्चों को नहीं दिखाएंगे?
मैं जो पिक्चर बच्चों को अपने नहीं दिखाऊंगा वो रहेगी गरम मसाला.
क्यों?
क्योंकि उसके अंदर आई एम डेटिंग 4 गर्ल्स एट वन टाइम. एंड मैं कहूँगा बेटे वो ज़माना बीत गया, अब भूल जाओ. आजकल जो लड़कियां हैं उनके पास मेकअप के सामान से ज़्यादा ट्रैकिंग सामान बहुत होता है, वो आपको ट्रैक कर लेंगी. ये सब चीज़ें भूल जाओ. सो हाँ,
मेरा सर अगला सवाल हैगा इन पंजाबी कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁਣ ट्विंकल खन्ना द ऑथर और ट्विंकल खन्ना the actor.
Twinkle Khanna, the wife.
सर मैं जानबूझ के स्मार्टली वो ऑप्शन ਕੱਢਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ
ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ
ਤਾਂ ਕਿ
ਪਾਇਆ
ਉਹ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਆਨਸਰ ਨਾ ਦਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਾ ਤੀਜਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ
ਸਰ ਇੱਕ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਹਿੱਟ ਫਿਲਮ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਨਾ ਦੇਖੀ ਹੋਵੇ
one hit film you are guilty of not watching
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਔਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਉਸ ਫਿਲਮ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਡਾਇਲੌਗ ਵੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਹਾਊਸ ਦ ਜੋਸ਼
actually
नहीं देखी
देख ली
मैंने
मैं जो फिल्म नहीं देखी है I regret not doing that film. It was Bhag Milka Bhag. I would just tell you, I was offered that film, but I opted for Once Upon a Time again in Mumbai. That film, and that's the film I am very guilty of not doing it as well as not watching it also.
जो अभी जिन एक्टर्स की नई नई शादी हुई है उनको आप क्या एडवाइस दोगे
जिन एक्टर्स की नई नई शादी
जिन एक्टर्स की अभी नई नई शादी हुई है
थोड़ी लाइमलाइट तू ले खाली बैठा तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा तू मुझे पता है तेरा मन नहीं करता वहाँ अकेले बैठे हुए आजा बता आज एक बात बता तेरी शादी काफी वक्त हो गई है करीबन कितने 2 महीने हो गए हैं तेरे
5 सर
5 महीने हो गए
जी हाँ
तो अब ये बता जिनकी नई नई शादी हो रही है उनको तू क्या कहना चाहेगा क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेगा
कि जो तुमने किया बहुत सही किया है मुबारक हो यू हैव मेड द राइट चॉइस इन लाइफ
बस एडवाइस बोलना ये तो पता उनको तो पता इसलिए तो उन्होंने किया है
अगर आप अय्याश हैं अगर आप जिंदगी में सुधरना चाहते हैं तो कर लो शादी शादी शादी
ये बात आओ गले मिलिए ओके
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Akshay Kumar sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award for a couple that laughs together, poses together, they complement each other's style and complete each other. So bring it on for the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Couple. And to present this award, we'd like to invite on stage
Mr. Rahul Pansare, Head Marketing and PR FCA India Automobiles Private Limited, and Sonakshi Sinha and Sonal Kalra, Managing Editor, Entertainment, Hindustan Times.
The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Couple, surprise, surprise, is Shah Rukh and Gauri.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sonal. Thank you, Sonakshi. It's a great honor to be here. It's a great evening, and I'm genuinely and honestly saying I don't know much about style. I've never been someone who understands it or tries to follow it. Everything that I am, everything stylish that I know, actually is Gauri. So I'll just tell her to thank you all instead of me thanking for the stylish part of it. Gauri, please say.
For someone who's claiming that he doesn't know anything about style, I just have to tell you a little secret. Whenever we are going out or stepping out for a party, I'm usually out in 20 minutes, ready and, perfectly on time. And he takes maybe 2 to 3 hours. So...
अब साथ में नहाने में टाइम लगता है ना यार.
No, but I would like to thank the HT Style Awards, and tonight I've made a special effort. I'm the one who took 3 hours, and I think he took 6. So
I think you're looking very stunning, and genuinely, like I said, it's a big honor. Thank you once again, HT Style Awards. I genuinely do believe style is something that you want to tell people about yourself without speaking to them, and by that yardstick, I'm kind of black, basic and boring. And the beauty she brings. Between the two of us, I managed to look black, basic and beautiful. So thank you very much, and God bless you all. And thank you for this evening, and you guys are doing a wonderful job. I'm having too much fun. और dance करोगे तो रुकूंगा वरना चले जाऊंगा.
Sir.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Radhika, come on. Do film me, come on. And now shake it. I brought the filmy to HT Style Awards.
Sir, man, you have been married for 27 years.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
I was going to say I'm 27. You've exposed
तुमने
me.
मला सारा हम तो यंग क्या कहते हैं स्टाइलिश कपल बन के आए तूने ऐसा
You've aged us. Like,
सोनल कितना समझाया था ये होस्ट क्या कर रहे हो यार तुम यार
सर
अब
ये
कोई
सब मैंने कहा था सर रिहर्सल में ये मत लिखो. But sir, we want to know what's actually the reason behind the secret, and what we're going to try doing is we have a couple of pictures of you both together, and we're going to show those pictures, and we want to know.
oh no.
Oh, you have some Ono pictures. And we would like to know the real mood behind it. So this game is called How's the Mood? There. That's so cute. That's so adorable.
और ये कहानी ना ये मेरी फेवरेट पिक्चर है. और हाँ और जब शादी हुई थी तो मैं बहुत गरीब था और गौरी मिडिल क्लास वेल टू डू थी. तो जैसा होता है मैंने इसे वादा किया कि शादी के बाद मैं तुम्हें हनीमून पे पेरिस ले जाऊंगा, ऐसा ना आईफिल टावर दिखाऊंगा, ये सब बातें मैंने की. लेकिन ऑब्वियसली वो सब झूठ था क्योंकि मेरे पास ना पैसा था ना एयर का टिकट था. बट मैंने थोड़ा कन्विंस किया. फाइनली पहली बार बहुत सालों बाद, आई थिंक इट वॉज 35 years later, अ फिल्म हैड बीन शॉट इन दार्जिलिंग और राजू बन गया जेंटलमैन का हम एक गाना शूट करने के लिए गए थे. तो मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग आया कि गौरी भी कभी गई नहीं है बाहर, इसको पता नहीं चलेगा, तो मैं इसको पेरिस बोल के दार्जिलिंग ले गया था. ये हमारा हनीमून है. और दिस इज द क्लोथ्स वी गॉट देयर इन दार्जिलिंग ऑन द आई थिंक एट 10-15 days 20 days after our wedding. So this is a honeymoon in Darjeeling picture.
Wow, how sweet. Can we have the next picture, please? So
ये मैं हूँ गौरी और गौरी का भाई. यार ये सब तुम ना बड़े ऐसा लगेगा मैं बहुत रोमांटिक हूँ. दिस गौरी लाइक्स डॉग्स एंड मी, सो शी हैड so she said that
My pets.
her pets. So इसको मालूम नहीं, दिल्ली में मैंने इसी के मामा से ये कुत्ता ले लिया बिना पैसे दिए और इसी को गिफ्ट दिया था. आफ्टर आई वाज अ बिग स्टार वॉर्स फैन, सो दिस डॉग इज कॉल्ड चुबाका. एक्चुअली चुबाका खान. हाँ, लेकिन अब ये इस दुनिया में नहीं रहा. तो ये हमारा पहला कुत्ता था. और एक्चुअली एट दैट पॉइंट आई इवन थॉट दैट आई विल नेवर लव चिल्ड्रन मोर देन डॉग्स. But the children that Gauri has given me has changed it all. I do love children much more than dogs now.
Okay, can we have the next picture? So, I actually want to read the caption over here. After years, the wife has allowed me to post a pic I have taken. She is all heart.
The only reason I don't allow him to post pictures is, as I said, he takes 2 hours to get ready. Even in the pictures, he's not seeing how the family is looking. Sometimes so maybe that's the reason that, so I have to make sure I'm looking perfect in the picture. So
Well, let me tell you, sir,
all go through me.
Out of all the millennials present, your selfie game is so on point.
Isn't it?
It's so on point.
Please यार, thank you. सबको बोल, all of them make fun of me, Gauri, my kids, कि मैं ज़्यादा filter use करता हूँ, सारा ऐसा करता हूँ, ये करता हूँ, और मुझे they don't allow me to put any picture on Instagram. So after years,
मैं बैठता हूँ, मैं वही कोशिश करता हूँ कि वो लाइट मुझ पे क्यों नहीं पड़ती जो आप पे पड़ती है हमेशा.
वो मेरे ना घर से बाहर निकलते ही 6 बजे शाम को जब मैं सुबह शूटिंग पे निकलता हूँ तो मेरे गाड़ी के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे वही लाइट मिलती है.
So now you're allowed to do 1 selfie a year.
So
One selfie a year.
One selfie a year. With the family, I can.
Ladies and gentlemen, Shah Rukh Khan and Gauri Khan. With the next award, the India's Most Stylish Female Reader's Choice. And to present this award, we would like to welcome on stage Disha Sanghvi, Director My Glam, and Tavishi Petandi, Rastogi, Editor HT Cafe.
Good evening, everyone. Hindustan Times, India's most stylish female people's choice goes to...
This one's my personal favorite, and I'm so glad that readers share my view. Anushka Sharma.
This is incredibly special because, the readers have chosen this and chosen me. So thank you to the readers. Style is, I think, a very, very personal and a very subjective thing. So I feel quite gratified to receive this. This really honestly does belong to my stylist, Alia, and her team, Shraddha, Shubhangi, Nidhi, because they are the ones behind making us look like the way we do. Anaita, who styled me on so many occasions, and Manish and Sabya and all the other wonderful designers that I've got to work with. So I think it really does belong to them and their creativity and what they put, their passion that they put into all of this, and we just end up looking so good. So really, this is really for them. So thank you so much. Thanks, guys.
Anushka, I just have a question. You just completed 10 years in Bollywood, and you started with a film with Shah Rukh Khan, and the last film of your 10 years also was with Shah Rukh Khan. So how do you feel coming a full circle?
I just wish the circle had ended a little better. I would have been on top of the world, but no, I think I feel really happy. But just today, when I was looking at all these models and they were walking here, in Manish's clothes, and I was thinking about my journey the past 10 years, and I feel just so grateful for all the wonderful things that have happened, all the wonderful people who have contributed to where I am today. All of you, Ranveer, Katrina, everyone who I worked with. I think it's just been beautiful, and I couldn't have asked for anything more, and I feel so happy where I am at the moment.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
So much.
And now, please bring it on for the person who is all about the razzmatazz, the Hindustan Times India's most stylish male reader's choice. And to present this award, we'd like to invite on stage
Kapil Dev, sir, and Mr. Kevin Flynn, President Managing Director, FCA India Automobiles Private Limited.
There are so many stylish people around this hall, but it goes to Ranveer Singh.
Wow! It just feels amazing to be on the stage in a room full of so many people that I have so much love and affection for, so much respect for. I'm on the same stage as this legend of a man. I mean, feels amazing. I feel amazing right now. All you beautiful, beautiful people. My main man, Rohit Shetty, sitting there clapping for me, proud of me. I love you, sir. There's nobody like you. You're the boss. All these friends of mine, Vicky, Radhika, you're doing a great job. Vicky, आपके साथ और कटरीना के साथ अगर जोया ने जिंदगी न मिलेगी दोबारा बनाई तो उसका टाइटल क्या होगा सोचो? Vicky, Katrina in Barcelona. Yeah, you like it? Oh. Yeah. Sir, how am I going to look this handsome, guys? This is the next character I have to play. Look at him in a gangster in a pinstripe bangala. Who does that? Sir, I'm trying my best. Look, I'm even trying with this mustache. I'm trying to grow it out as much as I can. It's a real honor for me to play you on celluloid, sir. It's already turning out to be one of the most joyous and rewarding experiences. I've started training, and I hope to make you proud, sir. I really hope to make you proud. Thank you for this award. Thank you, Sonal. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, HT. I'm dressed like a Nimbu. And I need a squeeze. What? Tapsi, what? What? Everybody's allowed to say and do all kinds of shit, but not me. But ladies and gentlemen, it's been a glorious evening. Thank you to all my friends who stayed back to cheer for me. Lots of love. Mwah.
Ranveer Singh and Kapil Dev, sir. And that, ladies and gentlemen, was Jeep Presents Hindustan Times India's Most Stylish. And a big thank you from me. I know I am taking a lot with me tonight. Radhika's secret sulking, inspirational style, and the absolute affirmation that style is unique, eclectic, and elevating.
Good night, all of you.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
done in our city, Mumbai, and everything that they continue to do in far as creating events and creating information, their online presence, they truly are legit, credible, and extremely authentic.
I've been in the industry for 10 years now, so I can say that we've had a long and happy relationship for 10 years. And it's an incredible team, honestly. Sonal and Tavishi and Prashant, I think they've just been so incredibly supportive and such wonderful people.
Hindustan Times has always been one of my first papers that I read in the morning. I love this paper. I love Sonal here, and I think my association with them has been not only about the stories we hear on the paper, authentic, but the fact that they are so entertaining.
I'm really happy to have received this award from Hindustan Times.
Hindustan Times and the Style Awards have been a big part of my yearly calendar, and it's something I always enjoy coming to. We always have a great night. There's so much fun.
I'm honored to receive this. My sincere thanks to Hindustan Times for this honor.